Meaning of Gone with the Wind.
Gone with the Wind.
Gone with the Wind.
Gone with the Wind.
Gone with the Wind. Gone with the Wind is a novel by Margaret Mitchell depicting the American Civil War and its aftermath. The title Gone with the Wind refers to the turbulent time period in which the story is set, where everything that had once been familiar and secure was swept away. It also refers to the loss of the way of life in the southern United States before the war. The title suggests that the past is gone forever, like the wind, and cannot be recaptured. The book explores the themes of love, survival, and determination in the face of adversity.